Welcome to miniOrange. So in this video, we are going to set up WordPress Single Sign-on with Okta, using OpenID protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to Plugins tab and then click on Add New. Search for OAuth Client. Click on Install Now. Then click on Activate. miniOrange OAuth Client plugin is installed successfully. You can find the plugin in the left panel. Click on it. Search for Okta application. Select Okta. Let's configure Okta as OpenID Provider. Go to the Okta login page and log in with your credentials. From the top right drop-down, switch to the classic mode. From the left menu, go to the Applications drop-down and select the Applications. Click on Add Application. Click on Create New App. Now choose Web as Platform and select OpenID Connect as sign-on method. Click on Create button. Enter the application name. Click on Add URI. You will find the login redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it and paste the copied URI in the given field. Click on Save. Now you will find the client ID and client secret here. Go to Assignment tab to assign the people and groups. Click on Assign and select Assign to People. Assign the user. Fill the required information and click on Save and go back. Click on Done. You can see the user is assigned successfully. Now, let's configure WordPress's OAuth client. Copy the client ID from the application and paste in client ID in the plugin. Copy the client secret from the application and paste in client secret in the plugin. Copy the Okta domain name from the application and paste it in Okta domain field in the plugin. Click on Save Settings. Now you can see your OAuth setting saved message. Click on Test Configuration. Enter your Okta credentials and sign in. After successful test configuration, you will find the user's email address in the test configuration window. Now, we will map attribute names provided by Okta with OAuth client attributes. Go to Attribute Role Mapping tab. In the username field, select any attribute that we received from the test configuration window. Click on Save Settings button. Now we will set miniOrange OAuth widget wherever you want on your website. Hover on Appearance in the left panel and click on Widget. Drag the miniOrange OAuth widget in any footer. Now, let's see how it works. Go to your site URL on private window and you will be able to see Login button with display name you have given. Click on Login with Okta. Enter your Okta credentials and sign in. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into WordPress using Okta as an IDP. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.